So this is me, done in the hospital, like perfectly fine now. I honestly have not felt this good in a very long time, and I know I've mentioned it in some of the videos and some of the Instagrams, Facebooks, tweets, whatever you want to call it. But I mean it. Like, the people over at the cardiac place in Lincoln, Nebraska were amazing. They actually took the time by forcing me to stay, but I'm stubborn. It's not a secret to anyone who knows me, friends of mine. I'm not the most just like, oh yeah, let me go to the hospital, let me worry about myself. And I generally stay busy, and I'm generally on the road a lot. And taking care of myself has been something that I've always kind of overlooked and I've never really taken serious. And I will say this, I'm regretting that now. And being at that hospital for 4 days has really changed my view on a lot of things and priorities and what's important and what should be focused on more so than other things. And my health is not something that should be put on the back burner. It shouldn't be something that's second to a car or third to anything. My health is number one, especially considering now I have a daughter. I don't really talk about my personal life much, really, because it's always been focused on the car. I've really never done a vlog style thing like this where I've even actually really talked to you guys as a person, and that's my fault. But it's something that I'm trying to change. It's something that I'm working on, and something that I'm getting more comfortable with. I want to get more comfortable with it, obviously. It's going to take some time to open up because I'm normally just a very private person, but this is my life basically. As you see my atmosphere behind me, this is the hotel down here in Hartford, Connecticut. Just got done with the installation here. It was a Camaro, and I'm editing some videos, and just this guy, his name is Bob. This video's already out on YouTube, so you can see this video, but by the time this video is out, that video will be on YouTube, obviously. But like the editing of this, and I'm definitely not like an expert in editing anything. I'm working on it, but like anything else, get better in time or with time. But this doesn't begin, like what made the video is nothing compared to like the bloopers or the back end or all the B-roll stuff. Bob was an amazing customer. He was a Paragon Performance customer, and he was, to say it lightly, a talker. Which is fine, which is great. I love that. I don't have much of a social life, obviously, other than traveling. It's lonely, to say the least, doing this job. It's not as glorified as I think a lot of people think it is. It's not what a lot of people I've talked to think that it is. Oh, you're in a different city every single day and all this. Yeah, you're right. Here's my view. This is my view. So my view is a hotel, or out of a window of a hotel. It's not like I'm out exploring the cities and going out on the town and drinking and having fun. I don't know anybody here other than the customer generally that I was doing the night before. Not like I really go out and hang out with them, because it's professional, it's business, business is business. But when you do this on a daily basis, I truly am feeling so much better. And I thank you guys, and I apologize to you guys at the same time for the patience and the understanding and the encouragement as well, during this process and during this healing or recovering or I guess doing what I've been supposed to be doing for so long. I was just taking my medication. I really, really am truly blessed and truly thankful that the staff at the cardiac hospital in Lincoln, Nebraska, CHI, you guys actually forced me to stay to fix the problem. And you guys looked at my medical history and you saw the medications that I was on, and I openly admitted I'm not the best at taking medications. When I run out, being on the road as much as I am, I don't always have the time to fill prescriptions and even think about it, to be completely honest. And it's my fault. I'm not making excuses. I am 100% to blame for my recent health issues. And it pains me to admit that, for sure. But it's no one else's fault but my own. And I've been selfish in the sense of I have a family and I have a daughter, and I don't want to prematurely leave them from this world because of my ignorance or hard-headedness or stubbornness or stupidity, whatever you want to call it. But I'm truly thankful for what I've accomplished. I'm truly thankful for what I've created and what I'm doing. And for you guys, I'm so thankful. And I genuinely, wholeheartedly mean that. And I'm working on fully recovering. I feel amazing. And we're starting new training with some new installers, so we're going to get that back. We just hired some people in the office, so no more phones being unanswered, no more emails being unanswered. So I'm excited. I want to heal. I want to fully recover. It's been a rough 15 years. I would much rather be at home curled up with my baby right now. But I will say this, I got this thing. I don't know if you guys have ever seen one of these things. This is one of those Facebook portal things, and it is pretty awesome to like, you can do all this stuff. But what's really cool about it is like the camera automatically will zoom in and follow me around. And so before I left this last couple days ago, I went out to Best Buy and I got 2 of these things, and they're not expensive, like $80. And I'm telling you, they're $80 worth it. Like, if you have loved ones at home and you travel at all, or just in general, I recommend these things because they are just so convenient. They are compatible with Alexas and all this other stuff, but you can talk to it just like an Alexa. It has its own kind of like wake up name, but it is super, super convenient. I will say the only thing that I'm not a huge fan of is that it has to constantly be plugged into an outlet. So it does also do Facebook Live. It has a really, really nice camera. It's definitely 1080p and it's wide lens, so it's really nice. I discovered that it does Facebook Live, so I'm going to use it, I think, for, I'm going to get another one, so I'll be carrying 2 of these things. One is like I wanted like a live link between me and my daughter, and so she can see me whenever she wants, or whenever she feels like she needs to see me. I want her to be able to see me, like when I'm gone and when I'm working on a car. So this is why I thought this was a great idea, is because once I show up or when I'm gone, I can just plug it in, connect it to my hotspot or the customer's Wi-Fi, and just let it, be a live video between her and I while she runs and plays. And if she wants Dad, then Dad's right there, and Dad will stop what he's doing to talk to his baby. And I just need I need it for me, because it's very stressful. It wasn't before, but obviously having a child changes that. So whatever makes me feel better is all that I really truly care about right now. So but I think this is going to be really good for like the Facebook Live videos, live streaming installs as well, because it's like I said, it's a really good camera and it zooms in, so it follows me around. So, but yeah. Hello. Hi, man.
Hi.
How's it going?
How are you?
Good. How are you? Hi, puppy.
That's Carmela. She's old. She's
Hi,
a
Carmela.
puppy.
Hi.
I'll put some water so here. You want the air conditioner on? Let me know in the garage.
Yeah, I mean, so right now it's nice,
Yeah.
so it's not too big of a deal. I love this. We'll have to get down on some of this.
Oh. Yeah, I've got all original 6 teams. I can swap them in.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And the Hartford Whalers, too.
Wow.
They sent me the Hartford Whalers as a bonus. And then it's all Mantown here. It's got like 50 different games in it.
Wow.
Golden Tee. Actually, I'm working on this now.
Wow.
I'm setting up the dartboard. They're gonna come put plantation shutters like all these.
Yeah.
Doors in here.
Nice.
To be able to hide it. Yeah, and then we got the pool table, the shuffleboard.
What? Where's the Cardinals helmet?
He's all the way from Arizona.
So I am here, down here in Cape Coral, Florida right now. Just showed up, and as you can see, beautiful Rapid Blue C8 that's gonna be my next victim here. Excited to start on it. I'm gonna close the garage on this one because it's an air-conditioned garage, so get the cool weather. It's really nice out. Like I can't complain, but it's also pretty early still. It's not even noon yet, so it will definitely peak. It will definitely start to get a little bit warmer. So just knock it out from the beginning of. Don't worry about it. Close the garage and get some cool air. So I haven't seen too many garages with color matching flooring, but these center panels, the center squares, definitely match the car.
And I put these special fins on it. So it looks pretty cool back here.
It does.
And then I did the whole engine based undercut too.
Wow.
It's nice.
It's the attention to detail that really sets them off.
Yeah,
you know?
oh yeah, definitely. This will, when these are in, this will make it definitely crazy.
Oh, for sure. No, I haven't heard anything. I have no clue what. And it's so strange. It's like you call me every day, multiple times to nothing, to now not returning my phone calls or to, you the cutest baby no one. Stop. I love you. I love you. Big stretches. Oh. You guys stretch the watermelons out. Oh, big yawn. I love you so much. And for my next trick. Oh. Wow. Wow. I really think from here on out, I'm just gonna start doing installs like this, because this was way faster. Beautiful. Truly, truly beautiful. So what do you think? Do you like it? Was it what you were expecting?
I love it. It's better. It actually is. I love the way that the hinges are designed just so that, I mean, I'm kind of an engineering guy, so they're designed to prevent you from bumping the car. You know, they'll keep it from going up until it's in the right spot. Everything's perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Are you glad you did it?
I'm very glad I did it, actually. It's going to be fun. It really is going to be a lot of fun. Big attention getter, that's for sure. Pull into a gas station, open the door like that, people are going to come over and ask questions.
Right? And last question is, are you glad you went with Eikon Motorsports?
Yeah, it's the attention to detail that matters. You took your time, you did everything right, no rush, and like I said, the attention to detail is fantastic. So I'm very pleased.
All right, guys, well, that'll wrap it up here in Cape Coral, Florida. It was my pleasure. It was truly an honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I appreciate the opportunity.
Yeah, you got it.
Until next, guys, everybody. Until next time. Until next time, everybody, like, subscribe, share. Have a good one. Bye.
What up, though?
Oh, bueno.
What up, though?
What up, Dow?
Damn, bro. Where the fuck you been, bro?
I've been missing all the action.
All of it, bro. We just got off the boat. We're back at the hotel.
What?
Yeah, bro.
Man. All
You
right.
know what you're doing.
I'm heading to Miami right now.
Solid. Here we go.
I will.
Say.
All right, bye. Bye. Well, there it is. Party in Miami. Let's go.